Southwire's factory power and automation team is helping to automate the world one cable at a time. From power and VFD cables to control and communication cables, Southwire provides a variety of solutions to fill your factory automation needs. One solution we offer is specialized flexible cables. Many standard cables, like THHN or T90 or XHHW or RW90, lack flexibility for bending, or, like DLO, lack a natural lubricity for pulling in conduit and tray. Installers may be required to improvise with tools or installation methods to properly wire the application, which can often result in the cable's insulation being damaged and needing repair, or, at worst, scrapping the wiring installation and starting over. This difficult and often repetitive installation often causes increased physical stress on the installer, resulting in fatigue, which can increase the risk of injury during the install and reduce productivity. The Southwire Company's MachineFlex Power Cable, rated T90 or RW90, has been designed to help make these difficult installations easier. By combining the insulation properties and pulling ease of T90 with the flexibility of fine stranded copper, this cable helps to increase efficiency and productivity on the job site while improving safety. With MachineFlex Power Cables, users can install cable more uniformly, with less damage to the conductor insulation. And because this cable's design allows enough flexibility to bend and maneuver in tight terminations, yet has enough rigidity to maintain its form, installers experience less personal fatigue, often leading to fewer accidents on the job site. Many of these cables are also rated UL, CSA, and CE per RoHS, allowing them to be used in multiple regions around the world. Another solution we offer is our line of variable frequency drive VFD cables and accessories. A VFD cable is a special cable construction for the inverter to motor cable. These cables have at least one of the following attributes: a symmetrical design that reduces the amount of EMI and common mode current in the cable, a robust THERMOSET insulation system that keeps voltage and current from escaping, or an overall shield that keeps electrical magnetic interference (EMI) from escaping. Properly terminated VFD cables have been shown to provide a known path for common mode currents that, if left uncontrolled, can contribute to premature motor failure, control malfunctions, drive problems, and more. Furthermore, VFD cables have been shown to increase safety by minimizing induced currents in other systems and cables that can cause shock hazard or potentially even death. Southwire offers a variety of VFD cables to meet your unique requirements. Our cable options range from our flexible VFD cable to our commercial-grade VFD cable. We also offer accessories, including a VFD termination kit and EMC grounding gland solution for terminating the shield properly at both ends. Our solutions don't just include cable and accessories. Our factory automation team also provides world-class customer care. Whether you need expert engineering assistance or need a customized or expedited product, our team is here to help. Southwire has become the supplier of choice for all your factory power and automation cable needs.